Back in Stockton, beautiful Stockton. Right across the river, that's right, from Calamco. Throwing in some cameras, replacing a few cameras, adding some new cameras. Re-terminating this side after re-terminating, putting an entirely new end on the other side. Now try this side.
You did it?
I think that'll work. Go plug it in. Guess that's it. That'll work.
What are you doing, Brian?
Shooting this one in. What's it look like I'm doing? Aiming the camera.
So you're just swapping them out, right?
Swapping them out and adding a few new locations as well. There's a couple that are new and a few that turned out not to be owned by Golden Bear, but another business. So we can't, remove those cameras. So we have to add a new line to those locations.
Swapping out this little dome camera to a Verkada CB62E. Dirty job, man.
What's gross? All the stuff that came out of it?
Yeah, all of it. It's all gross. My back hurts. So now that we got where I want it nice and straight. So we gotta go tone this wire out up in their network room so we can figure out which one it is, and then we can put the camera up and be ready with this one. That looks right. Boom. It'll sit like that until we can actually aim it. We are done out here with that camera. Nice little swap. We got a camera here facing the dock. We got a multi-sensor camera up there and another bullet facing their beautiful hedge maze they have back here. So I'm Jacoby. We're here in Stockton right by the river at Golden Bear Insurance. We did 21 cam swaps, a couple on the roof, a lot of them on the outside of the building. Banged it out real good. So
That's staying in.
That's staying in, banged it out real good.